In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut button in Google Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome and then find a website to which you'd like to have a shortcut on your desktop. So for example, I'm going to use youtube.com for this instance. And then what you want to do is click on those three dots over here. And then you go to down here where it says Save and Share. And then click on Create Shortcut. Now once you've done this, you can name your shortcut. I'm going to leave it as YouTube, and then click on Create. And then it's going to ask you if you'd like to pin YouTube to your taskbar as well. I'm going to press Yes right now. And now, as you can see, I've got YouTube on desktop and also in my taskbar over here. So I can just double click on it, and YouTube will open in a new tab inside Google Chrome, so that's cool. And then the second way to do it, which is a bit faster, is to simply minimize the window, so minimize the Chrome window, and then click on the link of the website and simply drag this link to your desktop, and there we go, the shortcut was created. Now as you can see, it does not have that fancy looking YouTube logo as the icon, but it still works and it still opens up youtube.com as you can see.